Hey everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to connect and use your Logitech G435 headset with a PS5 dot first. Check that your Logitech G435 headset is compatible with the PS5. This headset supports both Lightspeed Wireless and Bluetooth, both of which work with the PS5 dot to use Lightspeed Wireless. Plug the USB receiver into a free USB port on your PS5. This sets up the wireless connection automatically. If you'd rather use Bluetooth, switch the G435 to Bluetooth mode, then connect it through the PS5's Bluetooth settings. Once connected, head over to your PS5 settings and select the G435 as your main audio output. Finally, turn on your PS5 and test the headset to make sure both the sound and mic are working as expected.